Cole here with NMT Marketing. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to set up the proper account level settings for Bing ads after you complete your import. So first things first, I'll show you how to get to the account level settings in Bing ads. You'll need to go to campaigns, settings, and then click on account level settings. Then from here, you'll want to review the settings that you have put in place. I recommend removing the HubSpot settings, URLs rather. There's no Bing feature in HubSpot, so you don't really need these. Have a quick look at the UTMs here, and everything looks good. Scroll down here to auto tag and click ID. Make sure this is enabled. Auto tag UTMs. Yes. Do not set up conversion goals automatically. That can lead to issues with your conversion setup. You want to make sure these are imported and set up with the same settings that you have for Google. Do not enable automatically created multimedia ads. Very important. You can click through to the auto apply settings and update these here. Unselect any of the auto apply settings. Those usually hurt the account. I've got to go ahead and remove these again. Sorry about that. So there we go. Boom, boom, boom. And then for business attributes, I usually work with online businesses, so most of these will not apply. Just go through the list and see if any of these apply to your business. And if they do, select them. For online businesses, these are the two that I most often check off: virtual assistants, web accessibility. Then you come down here, it says negative keywords. These are imported from Google, so they look good to go. You can remove any that you might have find problematic, and then click save. Done. I'll save the campaign settings for another video. That's how you set up account level settings though. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe. Cheers.